for 1 day or 2 days in Rome, I want to offer you the best gelato in the city, which is from here, from Cremeria Monforte. It's an all handmade gelato, and special because outside of the store we do have this Pinocchio here made of wood. So it's a very funny statue here. Then we're gonna walk from here inside of the Pantheon, right here. Now follow me, you guys. So the Pantheon that you see on the right, these columns here are from Egypt. The Pantheon is 27 BC old. Of course, when I say U BC, it's before Christ. If I say U AD, it's not after death. It's Latin. So I'm considering A.D, Anno Domini, the year of the Lord. So since the Jesus Christ birth, this is very important. In front of us, we have a fountain up there. Is built during the time of the Renaissance. And here we go. Look at the beautiful Pantheon here. I would love to describe you in this video the inscription. The inscription up there is just showing you M.Agrippa LF Cas that tertium fecit. Well, the Pantheon was built on 27 BC, but then on 123, 125, it was rebuilt by another emperor called Hadrian, AD. He wanted to respect the name of the first man who built it. I'm talking about Agrippa, the son-in-law of Augustus. So the inscription that he put on top of the Pantheon are M. Marcus Agrippa, LF, actually they should be like FL, the Filius Lucius, so the son of Lucius, and then this is Latin, so the verb goes till to the end of the phrase. Fecit means build it, tertium on a third time when Agrippa became a consul, so COS is a consul. So again, Marcus Agrippa, son of Lucius, built it on a third time when he became a consul. This is one of the tips that I can explain to you with the 1 day tour with me or 2 days tour with me. Pantheon, all the gods.